You never will.
Cool, yeah, nicely done. Maneuver it into place. I think I found a garbage bag up here too, which was one thing I forgot.
I might have one in my. So that'll go in.
Okay. Yeah, I'll take this off you guys. Just can give Chris a hand if he needs it.
Young fella like him.
Okay. Alright, watch the threshold. Nice.
Good job, Mr. Zimmerman.
Oh, nailed it.
A carpenter and a cook. What a combination, eh?
Oh yeah, man.
I tell you what, eh?
Catch of the day over here.
Yeah. There's Al, the hardest working guy in the bunch over here. Eh?
How many burgers does everyone want?
I'm good with just one, thanks.
Yeah, one's good for me.
One for
Thank
sure.
you.
Well, that's perfect. There's 5 of us here, 6 in box. I'll take.
So because you're healthy, we all have to eat healthy.
Yeah. Pretty much, yeah.
There's no dirty option here. Right? No greasy, dirty.
I can add more grease. You guys will like it. This stuff's pretty good.
Those are really good.
Just feels more roomy in here now without all the crap in here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's like, you know, even that, it's just like less bulky. It's light. The color is lighter.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah. Yeah, it feels really spacious, doesn't it?
It does. It
Yeah.
feels better.
Well, the backsplash it's like when you put a mirror in a room, it makes the room look bigger. Because it's reflective, it makes the room that corner look bigger.
Totally.